Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change a video on Google Form. So for that, we just need to open Google Form. After opening it, first you just need to create a blank form. So here you can see an option called blank form. Click on that. So for changing a video, here I'm just going to first insert a video here. So I had inserted a video here. So for changing this video, here on the top left corner of this video you can see here three dots. Click on that, and then here is the fourth option. You can see here change. Click on that, and from here you can just change the video by typing the video that you wanted here. And from here you can just choose the video that you wanted. And after choosing the video, click on insert. So now you can see that you had been changed the video on Google Form. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.